this is a 1967 Ford Mustang. Alright, it starts up. Okay. This is the interior. Okay. That's the sound of it. Okay. Since I became extremely paranoid, I decided to install a kill switch. So, if you're extremely paranoid, someone starts to start the car, you install a kill switch on and it doesn't turn on. So, flip it back on once you're in the car. Starts right up. Okay. This is the sound of it. You know, I get compliments of it all the time. So, turn it off. Put the kill switch on, make sure it's not gone. Usually put this on next to it. And has an alarm system.